The Power of Quantifiers. Taming the English Language. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating part of English grammar, quantifiers. Quantifiers help us to express how much or how many of something we're talking about. In this video, we're going to explore the usage of some, any, many, much, few, little, several, enough, all, both, and each. So, let's get started. In English, quantifiers are used with nouns, giving us information about quantity. They answer questions like, how much? Or, how many? Some quantifiers can be used with countable nouns, some with uncountable, and some with both. This distinction is crucial, and we'll delve more into it as we explore individual quantifiers. Some and any are used when the exact quantity is not specified. We usually use some in positive sentences and any in negative ones and questions. However, some can be used in questions when we expect a positive response. For example, I have some books. Positive, I don't have any books. Negative, do you have any books? Question, would you like some tea? Question, expecting a yes. Many and much express a large quantity, whereas few and little express a small quantity. Here, many and few are used with countable nouns, while much and little are used with uncountable nouns. For example, I have many friends. Countable, I have much water. Uncountable, I have few friends. Countable, I have little water. Uncountable. The word several indicates an unspecified amount that is more than a few but not a great number. It's only used with countable nouns. Enough means as much as necessary and can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. All, both, and each refer to every member of a group. All can be used with any noun. Both refers to two things or people, and each refers to every member of a group individually. For example, there are several apples in the basket. We have enough chairs for everyone. All the students are here. Both my parents are doctors. Each student gets a certificate. Great job making it this far. We've covered a lot today, but remember, practice makes perfect. Start noticing quantifiers in the texts you read, and try to use them in your own sentences. You'll soon see how these small words can greatly enhance your English proficiency. Until our next English grammar adventure, keep practicing and stay curious.